In this lesson, we are going to learn the phonetic sound of the letter E. The uppercase E is written like this. It starts with a vertical line and three horizontal lines starting from the top, then in the middle, and right at the bottom as shown. The small letter E is written like this. Let's see that one more time. The capital E and a small letter E. E makes the sound e, as in egg. Eggs are nutritious and are good with breakfast. E, as in elephant. Did you know that elephants could swim? E, as in empty. The egg tray just went empty. E, as in envelope. Our envelope is carrying the letter E. E, as in escalator. E, as in elevator. I always prefer the escalator to the elevator in crowded places. Let's look at all the words one more time. Egg, elephant, empty, envelope, escalator, elevator. Excellent.